Brand new. Original item. Factory sealed. Never used. Quality product. Beyond physical health, this product can help to improve your mood, enhance your appearance and boost your self-esteem. It can also help to exhibit personal style, and it is an important element of social expression. Top reviews from the United States. Buy this. I absolutely love this conditioner. I bought the shampoo that goes with it, and was debating whether to get the shampoo. Do it. The conditioner really softened and improved the texture of my hair without weighing it down, and definitely brought out more cool, buttery blonde tones where I had pre-existing warm, brassy highlights. By the way, this has to be authentic Wella. It's too good not to be. If you buy the shampoo, do yourself a favor and buy this. Obsessed.